preview.
Hello friends, I'm Parikshit from Kisan Club and today we are going to make a plant folding surprise!
Special paper craft
Craft.
and a drawing. This is a paper craft and also a drawing where the drawing folds and opens. Today we are going to draw a plant that grows from being a sprout to a big plant. Let's start. Drawing. We'll need a black Sharpie, sketch pen
And some few papers
and
a color.
so we start drawing with folding the paper first to a half, which Parikshit has already done. Okay. Then we once again fold it to another.
Just see, is it equal?
Then we again fold it. Now here our folding paper is ready. Now we do the fun part, that is
The draw.
drawing. Let's start drawing the plant. No, first we draw the sprout. Yeah. So we start with drawing the root.
Now let's start with drawing the mud.
Yeah. Floor, the mud floor, and the root.
Oh, wait for me, I can understand what it
It's so simple.
These are looking like branches.
The roots are also like branches only, no?
Yeah. So many branches.
Can make as many as find it tough, then you can leave it. So here our roots are ready,
My roots are here.
and now we make
Now
the
let's see my roots.
sprout. How does the sprout look like?
See my Papa, see my roots.
Very good. This time it's better than the last time. So this is my sprout. Finish your sprout. So now the plant has started coming out from the seed to the
Sprout.
now it has started taking the shape of a plant. So the first the roots come up, and then a little bit of a small plant that is called the sprout, and from here the leaves comes, right? Now we will make the full plant. How do we do that? Keep it straight.
Be a big plant.
Yeah, this is gonna be a big one. So we first make the stem. So the stem of the plant is ready. Now we
The
make
last time the roots were also not too nice. These are the branches.
Now we will make leaves. Two.
What is this, Papa?
Just do it. I'll tell you what it is. Okay. Done. Just make a single line. Do not make a.
Yeah, this is so.
No. Then we again make it. This is not working well. We'll need new pair of Sharpies. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. That's all. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
I think my Sharpie is the perfect.
And now we will make the leaves. See, I'm making it like this.
I didn't know.
Now,
What does it take to make the leaves?
easy.
Now this is getting confused. Now,
You make so many. You finish the leaves. My leaves are done of one side.
so friends, have you enjoyed my golf videos as well? There's the Serena.
Did they see that? Ask them first. Did they see?
Did you see the thing is called the golf thing?
Oh my god, such a busy plant.
It will take forever to grow.
And now we make the other stem also, smaller one.
Wow, my leaves are done. I was see
Done?
making more leaves.
I'm done. Now let's color it.
No, not coloring it. The flower.
We are just making a plant. Okay?
Ah.
Let's color it. Oh my god.
Wait for me.
Okay.
And wait for me.
Okay. I'm just taking color. Why are you getting crazy?
Don't start.
Okay.
See the other things?
Yeah. So parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. You can do this by clicking your kids' drawings, uploading it on Insta and tagging us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. And your kid can win some free goodies.
So let's start.
Coloring. So our folding surprise is
Ready.
the folding paper drawing is ready. Folding paper drawing. So let's see how the sprout looks like. Oh, this is a very clean and an easy sprout, and this grows to look like a big plant.
Yeah.
Yay!
Huh?
So simple. See, fold it like this.
Yes.
Whoa!
What? So,
Surprise! So
friends, if you love this video, do like and subscribe my channel to see more of these
Bye bye. Have a great day.
Wait.